Hey guys, Marissa at kitchentablestamper.com. I am working on a little treat here. I do these as with a giveaway for craft fair. I do craft fairs in the Chicago area, and I also teach classes. So when I'm doing a craft fair and I notice that somebody is interested in the craft, not just buying the craft, but they enjoy the craft, I love to give a little goodie bag. And in the goodie bag, I put a class schedule, a free class pass, and then some other little goodies that aren't paper so that the bag doesn't just end up in recycling. It's kind of a little blessing, but also a way to get people to pop in that bag and take a look at what's inside of there. So for the November shows, I'm making these cute little peanut butter cup favors. Now, the best part about these is, look how cute they are, but they stand. And so they make adorable table favors. You can put these at every seat on your Christmas table. They're really, really cute. Something that you can give out to everybody at the office or all the teachers. They're not expensive. You can do them for filler on your craft fair tables if you also do craft fairs, and they're super simple. All right, the Stampin' Up! Supplies that you need for this project, as you see it here, cookie cutter Christmas, and I'm using the reindeer here and making him Rudolph with a red nose. Cookie Builder Punch from Stampin' Up! These are available in the 2018-19 annual catalog. You'll need some ribbons. I've got some ribbons from the clearance rack from some previous projects. Now this is getting attached to a peanut butter cup wrapper. It's going to get peeled and thrown away, so don't use your best ribbon. You use up your scraps. This is a stash buster project. You will need a little bit, it's a great way to use up scraps, of crumb cake cardstock and Real Red. And my Stampin' pads are Early Espresso and Real Red. All right, so let's get stamping here. Let me clear away some of the clutter. I need a Stampin' Pierce mat and ink pads. Okay, so I'm gonna ink up my reindeer in Early Espresso, and this is something that I always forget. Because you're using like a cookie, like a gingerbread punch, you gotta remember to stamp your little reindeer upside down. So ink him up. Always check the orientation of your punch before you stamp. It just makes your life so much easier. Ink him up, give him a stamp. Now we're gonna change to Real Red, so we need our simple chamois. I'm going to wipe this guy off. I just love how easy that mess is just gone with nothing but water. This simple chamois is awesome. All right, we're going to switch to Real Red, but we only need his nose, so we can just ink up the end of him. And we're going to stamp his little red nose on a scrap of Real Red. All right, let's clear away the ink pads. All right, get our little dude in the punch and get him punched out. Now for me, I find cutting therapeutic, so I will go ahead and cut out his nose with scissors, but I just want to show you there's a little trick here where you can put his little nose in the leg of the gingerbread and pop it out, and then you just have to cut across the top. I like the like organic shape that you get when you cut it with scissors. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll cut back in. All right, all done. Anybody else out there just love to cut with scissors? Do you find it therapeutic? I do. All right, little mini dimensional here, and I'm gonna pop one on the back of the nose. You can even use a half a dimensional. It would be sufficient. Keep your costs down too if you're making a bunch of these to give away. Okay, now let's bring our dudes back in. It doesn't get any easier than this. We're really seriously almost done. All right, so there's our guys. Now we're gonna take some strong adhesive. There's Fast Fuse on the clearance rack as of the last time I checked, which was a couple of days ago. You can also use tear and tape here. You can use a big glue dot. Now for him to stand best, what I like to do is stand my peanut butter cup first, and then kind of tip back and put him on the peanut butter cup, but just a little bit high. We want the gold around his neck there. And we'll grab our ribbon. This is the quilted Christmas ribbon. It just was on the clearance rack. This is a great way to use up that ribbon salad, you know, the ends of the spools, clearance rack ribbons. Those things that are just sitting there in your stash, use them up on a project like this. Tie a bitty bow. Now, where are my ribbon scissors? Here they are. Gonna cut the tails. And then we need a glue dot, a little mini glue dot. Now we'll stick that one right under our reindeer's chin. And ta-da, all done. And then you can see they all just stand right up too. All right, so those are cute, right? Let me show you something else really quick before I sign off here. Another little ribbon stash buster. So my peanut butter cups are Palmer's peanut butter cups. And they have a Halloween mix where they have gold and black peanut butter cups. So I took my Stampin' Up! Cat Punch. This is available in the 2018-2019 annual catalog. Punched my cat from basic black, tied a little bow, stuck it on with a glue dot, a little stash bust of ribbon there. I had some ginghams from a project a long time ago. Stuck them to the peanut butter cup with the fast fuse, just like we did with the reindeer. And now look at these dudes. Little kitties, they stand up too. So great to put on everybody's desk at the office, or bring them with you and just hand them out to the hairdresser, the mailman, the UPS driver, the bus driver. Leave them for everybody. A quick, easy, affordable way to make somebody's day. All right, you guys, if you've got questions about Stampin' Up! Product, about the project, or how I can help you stay crafty, email me, Marisa at kitchentablestamper.com. You can shop Stampin' Up! 24/7 at marisaalvarez.stampinup.net. Thanks for watching.